Hello all, welcome to Devi Ma's kitchen. Let's see how to prepare a refreshing watermelon juice. Ingredients for the juice are: I've taken a watermelon fruit and cut into pieces and I've de-seeded them, a small cup of coriander leaves, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar which is optional, and a half cut lemon. Let's see the preparation. Now let's add the watermelon pieces into a mixer or a blender. And add the coriander leaves too. Let's grind it into a mixture. Now the grinded juice is taken into a bowl. Let's add the brown sugar and a pinch of salt, and let's squeeze the lemon. And mix them well. And I'm sure this drink is going to keep you hydrated throughout the day during summer. Now let's transfer 2 glasses for serving.